Hey, Sharmini and I are getting creative. Oh no, there's nothing worse than running out of paint when that artistic urge hits. But with a bit of clever concocting, I can make my own colourful paints. Just wait, you'll love it. Yes, you'll need a brick and a hammer, some craft glue, a saucepan, a couple of eggs, water, a spoon, and some safety glasses. I need a break after all that.
Can't wait to see how those two are going to make paint out of all that stuff. Yep, and I'm still curious about how our budding artists are going to be putting colours into their very strange-looking paint.
Shamini and I have run out of paint, and now we're all set to make our own. Right, first up, let's get destructive. Smash off some of the bricks and crush it all up. Now add a tablespoon of water. Hey, wait a minute. Now Shamini reckons she's the expert paint maker. Okay, she's come up with some chalk. That's interesting. Some chalk, water, and glue. Wow, that colour looks great. Now to really get cracking. And just a squeeze of glue.
What Liam and Shamini have done is creatively scientific. To mix paint perfectly, you need a pigment, like the brown from the brick, and something for it to bond to, like the egg yolk. Together, these two substances form the perfect partnership when you mix them together. Get the picture?
Now to turn our homemade paints into world-class art.